Hello. Today I want to introduce a new time management system. Meet it. It's Calendaric. This system is unlike any other time management system. It contains the bullet journal type diary for different periods, the daily schedule, the running list tasks tree for a day and week, and, certainly, a folding storage system for notes. The difference between this system and others is that all tasks go through all notebook sections. Now do not need a separate application for notes, a separate task manager, and a separate reminder system. This system has the principle of all-in-one. And so, let's open the application on your device. The first, what you can see, its auth page. You can do it later if you don't want to register right now. We'll give you the other ability if you wish only to taste this product. Simply press the button, Try Me. So, you go through authentication or use sandbox mode and get access to the main board. If you use a large device, like an iPad, MacBook, or web browser on the desktop, you can see Calendaric, which contains two parts, left and right. Today we will look at Calendaric on a small device, like iPhone. You can see only one part, the left, in this case. Every part of Calendaric has several tabs. The current version of this app allows getting access to the diary, the schedule, the running list, the notes, and the office. Look at the diary. This is a sheet with dots like a bullet journal. On the top right corner, you can see the Tools panel. You can choose any tool type and add entries to the diary with the help of this tool. The diary sheet is divided into small square cells. Each cell lies between sheet's dots. You can add entries only to these cells. It's comfortable because you can arrange your entries according to these cells. And also you will be able to change their size according to that cells. The diary can be three types. The daily type, the weekly, and the monthly types. You can switch between these period tabs at the screen's bottom. You can use the arrows at the bottom left corner to change the period inside the subtab. If you change the period, the subtab color will be changed. The sand color means the past, the green indicates the present, and the blue represents the future. Why do we need three whole classes of the diary? Why don't we have enough only one daily type? We must use the full power of this planning system. The fact is that some tasks we plan to do in a day. Some of them we want to do in a week. And sometimes we have a big project we plan to do during a month. And sometimes, or honestly, very often, our plans change. For example, you had planning to buy a bicycle today. But your plan was destroyed because you were very busy. And you sure that you will buy this bicycle this week? In this case, you can move your day task entry to the week sheet. Another case. You have a task which you plan to do this month. The entry of it has been written in the monthly diary. Suddenly you have got free time tomorrow. You can move that entry from the monthly diary to the daily diary. It's easy. You can use these three diary types not only for task management. You can make entries for memory. For example, what has happened that day, that week, or that month. It's very comfortable. You can come back to them later and remember what did you write. The next tab is Schedule. In this version of the application, it has only one time period, daily. Unlike other applications, the start of the meetings or planned tasks is pointed out here only. In my opinion, it's not essential when the current task will be finished. More importantly, when a new task is started. By default, all tasks in the schedule finish at the end of the day. However, you can set the end of the task in its settings. You can add tasks not only to the schedule. You can add ones to any place. If you want your task to be added to the schedule, you must add the start time. In this case, that task will appear in the schedule. One tip. If you want to add a task to the schedule from the diary, add the start time at the beginning of the task name. You can easily move tasks inside the schedule. Just drag and drop that task to the needed time. One more thing. You will get notifications when the scheduled tasks will be started. Okay. You can make entries like tasks in different places. You can make it in any period diary, in the schedule, and the notes even. How to collect all of them together? The running list will help you with it. It accumulates all tasks wherever they have been. The 2 periods of the running list are accessed in this version. The day and the week. You can see your tasks in them very visually. All of them look like colored squares with task names on the right. The color of the squares accords with the task diapason. The sand color means past tasks. The green color means this task needs to be done in the current period. The blue color for future tasks. And overdue tasks are colored in red. You can point task as completed. Please tap on the colored square for it. The color will change to dark. The task list in the running list can be huge. To reduce it, you can use filters. They look like small colored circles on the top of the screen. Every colored circle according to the tasks for a specific period. Tap them to change filters. The task list will become a bit shorter. Control your task list using filters. Almost the last tab for this version, it's the notes. You can add notes here. The note is like a diary sheet but without time period connections. You also can add different entries to the notes using the tools bar. The note looks like a checkered sheet. Also, you can create folders in the notes and grow folder trees. A folder may contain other folders and notes. You can move all elements of the trees between each other. One of the advantages of the notes is an ability to secondary using entries of the notes in the diary sheets. Today you have got the first idea about this time management system. For the first look, it's straightforward. But it is not. This powerful system with different difficult methods allows you not to waste your time. Nowadays system has been prepared to use on all known platforms. Their release will be soon. You can use this system not only on your cell phones but on other devices. I want to say thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, I will be happy with your likes. I hope we will see again soon. Be productive. Let's use Calendaric.